Hey guys, guess what it is? Yeah. So I'm in Naiya International Airport. But I'm gonna be traveling again with the girls. Gavin and Cole brought me here, so thank you guys so much for bringing me.
Welcome.
I know they're gonna miss me talaga. It's like gonna be so crazy for them. But anyway, we're gonna be going to Taipei! It's gonna be my first time there and I'm so excited. I'm excited for the food. Actually, I don't know anything about Taipei. Nakikita ko lang siya sa TikTok. But then, ito na nga, we're going there because we wanted to explore another country. Something new naman. I feel like Shirley lang ata yung nakapunta doon. So, let's just see it for ourselves. So, we missed our flight to Taipei. Naiwan kami because of immigration. So, ayun guys, we're waiting for the next flight.
Hello.
Good morning! Good morning, Taiwan. We just got ready. We're so ready to rumble. And syempre, the first mode of business is we're gonna take photos.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
Okay guys, so magsa-subway kami and like I don't know what's gonna go on. I don't know what's gonna happen kasi first time namin mag-public transpo nang nagta-travel kasi lagi kami nag-Uber or like ano. So sabi namin let's switch it up a notch. So ayan. We got our tickets. Ano, Ann? Pag-uwi na Uber na lang. Kasi naman naka-heels pa kami guys. As in like, ba't naman ngayon na naka-heels kami? Tapos biglang ipapasubway mo kami. At least may aircon dito, no? Perfect. Tsaka at least we got to experience their transportation.
I wish I knew how much I miss.
We made it!
That we're all screwed.
Going to run!
When we play our roles and ignore the problems.
We arrived our destination. Oh, hindi na! We arrived at our destination. We arrived at our destination. Fettuccine carbonara. Yum! I'm waiting for their food to arrive. Ann naman? Ann Curtis.
Guys, huwag kayong mag-subway na nakakita.
So Lily's in class. How's it going?
Guess what text it is? Yeah.
Hinahanap naman guys kung anong dito yung fettuccine. Oh, Shirley, I'm gonna guess. The first one's the fettuccine. Ikaw, anong guess mo?
Ito, kasi mahaba, fettuccine.
Check mo nga. Anong fettuccine?
Hindi alam niya kasi.
Hindi niya alam yan. Sorry.
Ito yung fettuccine.
Yung sa gitna ay last. Where?
Yan, no? This is the word.
Feel ko hindi eh.
Wow!
Mas alam ko pa. Ako yung may lahi here. The phone eats first in this friendship. We've mostly spent like an hour and a half already here in the Brun building. This is the Brun building in Zhongshan. And girl, grabe, ang daming magagandang items like from street style to quirky and everything in between. Girl, sobrang ganda. Like, you should visit this. But it's kind of pricey, to be honest. Kaya, sobrang, yung pieces na pinapick ko, sobrang limited na. Yung unique siya, yung wala ka talagang kaparehas. And yung hindi mahanap sa Shein or sa Philippines. So yes, as of now, dalawa pa lang yung bibilin ko. Si Shirley, mga nakaano na, 10 or something. What's going on? So guys, I just wanted to show you. This is where we ate. And then underneath is all different kinds of shops. So right now we're in Mercy 22.
I like this, guys. So classy.
Yeah, it's nice. And I like this. Ay! 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 Ang ganda! I look so flat na petite. Tapos medyo makulit.
Mahaba ang buhok.
Eh! Mamamatay. At mamamatay singkit.
Oh, not singkit.
Okay guys, so yes. As of now, 3 items na ako. How many items ka na?
I'd rather not say.
Si Anne nandun na. What's the verdict, bro?
Tired of shopping. I'm so
Tapos
happy.
din, look at Shirley's. OMG.
I'm so happy.
Ito.
Wala.
Ako, 3 lang kasi. Guys, if you know me, like I'm super kuripot and shit.
Kuripot din ako, but it's like, it's an investment. The quality is so good. And I can wear it over and over kasi neutral colors. Mostly white. Right?
She's so done. She's so sleepy. Halos lahat, style ni Shirley kasi.
It's my style.
Yeah. Eh, yung parang sa amin ni Anne, it's like super ano lang. Wala, capsule lang kami. Like, it's just the basics. Anyway, we're on the way to Mirabel.
Mira One.
Mira One. It's like a cute cafe with...
Feeling cheaper ito mga to. Yeah, cheaper na.
Oh,
Kasi walang aircon.
Afternoon tea pala. Yun pa rin pinareserve. We're here at Mira One. Finally, it's time for afternoon tea. Excited because I love dessert. I love afternoon tea. We usually just have it in Manila Pen, but then now we're here in Taiwan.
Sabi mo sa Taipei 101?
So huge! Huge? Excited ako pero hindi ako excited
mag-shopping.
Ang tagabantay. Because I'm very, very disciplined. Diba?
Nag-shopping na siya kanina.
So guys, it's finally time for dinner. We just came from Taipei 101 and actually kakatapos lang ng afternoon tea namin and we had like an hour in Taipei 101. But nag-window shopping lang talaga kami doon kasi we were all so tired na. Because yesterday was so tiring. For some reason, we're all so tired. Tsaka 2 hours of sleep lang ata. We arrived kasi here, ano oras? 3 a.m. Yeah, 3 a.m. Tapos maaga kami nagising. Yeah.
I agree.
Good morning! Nonchalant kunwari, oh. Anong kunwari? It's currently 3 p.m. Grabe, kasi parang nagka-cold sweats ako bigla for some reason. Maybe because...
Konti lang sleep na.
konti lang sleep. Today, ikot-ikot lang kami. We're gonna eat and then ikot and shop and shop. Shopping muna kami today. Actually, we have the whole night then kasi way and no flight. Sana naman hindi ma-delay or whatever. Peg check. Shein. Ikaw. Hey, ikaw.
Local, I forgot the name. May Thai Rizal na lang.
I love our hotel kasi pagbaba talaga, cementing na talaga. Like as in, anong tawag dito? Yeah, good job. Asan to?
Simaling.
Yeah, like, ito na talaga. Ito na talaga yun. As in, kakababa lang namin.
Okay, wait. Last night, nag-order kami ng McDo. Tapos proud ako sa self ko Uber Eats. Tapos I delivered it in the wrong hotel. Tapos the guy sent a picture na. So I thought, room namin. Sabi ko, oh my god, I'm so
proud of myself. Ni-deliver lang sa labas ng room namin. Tapos pagbukas ko ng room, wala yung...
Sabi po ni Ann sa akin, oh my God, first time ko talaga to. Sana naman dumating siya kasi ang dami nang nangyayari sa atin. Paglabas niya ng door, sabi ko, ba't nawala na si Ann? Akala ko ba sa harap lang ng door?
Grabe dito. It's so sulit. Yesterday pa, we've been craving for like rice, like something heavy. I don't know. Like, namis namin yung Pinas.
Sa Sunday pa lang.
So sulit here because they have different kinds of drinks. As in, nagulat ako sa matcha nila. Like, you just tap it. Tapos matcha talaga. As in, it's not just tea. Yes. And then, they have also winter melon tea. That's like iced tea, but tastes like winter melon milk. And a lot more. Like, they also have like beers and like different kinds of soups and all.
Plus, it's only...
Only. Tapos, Häagen-Dazs yung, ano nila,
ice cream.
dessert. Yeah. Pakita mo na sweet.
Guys, dessert pala to. Tapos nasunog.
Kala naman ulam.
But then, guys, I recommend get this. It's like in the dessert area. Like dessert area of the menu in the app. So good. It's like a cheese wrap, something like that. Super good. Time for dessert. So guys, it's just Shirley and I right now because Anne had something to do. Papalipas na kami ng oras since tapos na kami mag-shopping and going around. I didn't buy anything na. But someone here. Anyway, we're buying the famous Korean desserts. Pero hindi ko na kaya. Sobrang busog pa ako. So, Shirley na muna. It's like noodle type na ice cream. So, I'm so excited because later we're gonna have a massage which we booked through Klook. You can use my code KLOOKIQ for discounts. Welcome to the Hello Kitty inspired 7-Eleven. Cute! I wish they did this in the Philippines. It's so cute. Guys! Ang cute! Ang taba nila!
Well fed.
Ginalakad lang kami, tapos nakita namin to.
Wait, super sorry tayo. This is Sparta. Tapos mataba ka super. It's been so much more luck.
Oh my gosh!
Ito ko in-invento ko. Might as well manifest it.
Ano ba?
Might as well manifest, diba?
Tama, tama. Nag-nightlife si Shirley kagabi. Tapos, hanggang ngayon, the next day na paggabi na guys. As in paggabi na. Ulit-ulit! Ulit-ulit yung mga story niya. Okay, una is nights like this. Second,
Yung kay Drake.
oh, Drake. Third, water.
Comment down below if you can relate.
Kami na pa, maybe strike, maybe. Nights like this. Pati yung Janae Aiko, yung isa. Hanging out to 10 rounds like a freak, like a G.
Ito kasi yun, guys. Just look. It matches the music kasi.
Okay, go. Ganun yan. Kailangan niya talaga ipakita. Thank you, Lord! Guys, na-realize ko lang. Ngayon lang kami parang sobrang OA sa vlog kasi nung una, sa Vietnam, actually first trip namin yun. Actually first trip ko yun nang kasama yung friends lang. So it's kind of like, oh, nangangapa pa ako. I'm free. Nangangapa pa ako kung like pwedeng naitin si Shirley, si Anne, gano'n. Pero ngayon, bardagula na.
Every
Bardagula
day,
na.
every minute, every hour, every second.
desert.
7 days a week.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Sundays, all week.
I'm so excited for the massage. Who's excited?
Si Shirley hindi.
I am.
Ganun lang.
Kami, woo! First lady. I'm so excited. This nightlife. I mean, night market na. Hindi na kami sumama ni Ann kagabi.
Ganun na.
Mga tita na. So lame.
Ay,
Lame.
pagbalik sa Manila, lagot kasi.
Hindi. Wala.
May music! Ganun pala. Massage was a 10/10. If I were you, book the massage when you're here in Taiwan. Now we're here in the Raho Street. Raho. Sabi ni Shirley, Raho. It's the night market na, so yeah. Finally, we get to eat. I didn't expect the massage to be so good. Because the pictures in Klook weren't that giving, but then girl, I trusted my gut and I was like, let's go. So yeah, this is how the night market looks like. Time to go! A feather, we should stick together. Shirley, do the high part. 1, 2, 3, go! I love you till the day that I'm tired. Eh, parang kanina lang ang pangit ah. Ang tatamad oh. Ayun lang guys. And we're here. Grabe, sobrang bilis lang yung trip natin oh.
Yeah. Because it's just what we did. Because
No, actually, the reason why we went to Taiwan is because
heartbroken is really.
actually, di naman. Hindi. Gusto lang na mag-enjoy ng single life.
Yes.
Oh, diba?
Celebrating single life.
Yes.
I mean, I'm single ever since I've been celebrating my whole life.
Eh di sana nag-hiking na lang. Charot. Finally, let's go! Finally back in MNL, bro. Hello!
Hi!
Hello.
No?
Thanks for getting me.
Welcome.
Okay, bye guys! Ending the vlog here. Bye.
Bye.